Hello Dnation and welcome back to a special unbox and review episode. In today's episode, for a change, I'm going to be unboxing a set of 6 1/64 scale monster trucks which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. And these are premium 2020 collector's edition monster trucks that are trending and in demand worldwide. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These premium Hot Wheels monster trucks come in a signature Hot Wheels card box blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, I got myself the top 6 favorite monster truck models from this Hot Wheels series that piqued my interest for this episode. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these little monsters free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these die-cast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, all I can say is wow, I'm awestruck with this lineup. So moving on, at first glance these die-cast monster trucks look quite premium and have an amazing build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of die-cast and a few components with ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width and weigh at about 110 grams on average depending on the model. And these models come with spot-on paint apps and graphics according to the color scheme and branding details and also have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional too. These monster trucks also come with crushable cars which are made of hard plastic. I'm really excited and still amazed with how these little monsters look. Maybe I'll just custom build a track to race these monsters in the near future, so let me know if I should do it in the comments below. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are the 6 different die-cast monster trucks that I've got in this 2020 Hot Wheels monster truck collection. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium monster trucks. Well, let's begin with the Bone Shaker from the Hot Wheels 2020 monster truck series, and it has a signature Bone Shaker bodywork and graphics with a blowout engine and massive wheels like a monster truck should. Coming up next is the infamous Twin Mill, also from the 2020 Monster Truck collection, and this car has an amazing paint job with signature graphics and a twin blowout engine and a killer look to it. Will anyone like trains? And if you do, here is Loco Punk, which is styled like a steam engine and available in 2 color variations. And as you can see, I got the standard variation with amazing graphics and looks ready to steam away. And here's one of my favorites. This is the Psychedelic and I love the vibrant color scheme and the unique graphics on this one. And we will sure take a closer look at this in a bit. And following up closely in looks, style and bodywork, this is One Bad Ghoul. Guess the name says it all. Well, what can I say? The graphics on this bad boy is simply unique and amazing and replicated just like their life-size counterparts. And finally, we have the V8 Bomber, which is also from the 2020 Hot Wheels monster truck lineup. And I love the retro style and the graphics on this one, and looks like this is basically the V8 Bomber war aircraft on monster wheels. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm still awestruck by the amount of details, graphics and whatnot on these premium 1/64th scale 2020 edition monster truck lineup. I'm amazed and can't wait to get the remainder 2 trucks from the series to complete the set. And this is just one of the 8 Hot Wheel Muscle Machine episodes that I've got in store for you, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium muscle machines by Hot Wheels. And now let's take a closer look and track test these premium and amazing monster trucks and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these Hot Wheels monster trucks in the description below.
Everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these little monsters. And so with that being said, let's place these die-cast monster trucks on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A monster truck is a specialized truck with a heavy-duty suspension, four-wheel steering and oversized tires constructed for competition and entertainment uses, originally created by modifying stock pickup trucks and sports utility vehicles. They have evolved into purpose-built vehicles with tube frame chassis, fiberglass bodies rather than metal. A competition monster truck is typically 12 feet tall and equipped with 66-inch off-road tires. Monster trucks were developed in the late 1970s and came into the public eye in the early 1980s as side acts at popular motocross, tractor pulling and mud bogging events, where they were used in car crushing demolitions. Today they are usually the main attractions, with motocross, mud bogging, ATV racing or demolition derbies as supporting events. And what you are looking at now are the 2020 edition of the diecast monster truck replica models manufactured by Hot Wheels. And for further information on monster trucks, kindly check the link in the description below.
And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels monster trucks that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these premium Hot Wheels monster trucks were your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And I just wanted you to know that all this is possible only because of your encouragement and support that I get from you, my Dnation family. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, like and share our videos, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what you would like to see in the upcoming videos, and I'll be glad to take your suggestions and get them done. And do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels Muscle Machine episodes in this playlist. Go big, go Hot Wheels! And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheel Muscle Machines coming up next. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.